Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I helped a gentleman a couple days ago with a whiteboard around a interactive field, and I just did two colors. And he posted this on Facebook, and somebody asked how he did the three colors. Well, it's almost the same thing. So we're going to take our letters. We're going to go ahead and make them a blue. I'm going to make it a little bit lighter blue now. Then just get your interactive fill tool and go from the top to the bottom. But then get a red or closer to red and bring it and put it in that box. Now you've got two colors. Well, let's move this slide bar out. Didn't mean to do that. Let me zoom in here. Get the interactive fill tool back and it goes right back. I'm going to move this interactive deal right here, and then I'm going to double click on there. It put another block. So now I can take let's take this gold and put it in that box. And now you can play with the slide tool and your percentages and make it less or more. And you can move your block around. Get the pick tool back, go back to interactive fill tool, and then you can move this yellow block around and make it yellow more so. And you can kind of see, it's kind of a neat effect because yellow and blue make green, and so it's blending that green. From a distance, you can see green, so it's almost more than two colors. And then just take it and right-click an outline, and make it white. Let's go 3 points and make it white. Don't know why I'm getting Pantone, but go to RGB and make it white. And now you've got an outline. Now you can't see it because of the fact that we got a white page. But let's just get a brown, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. And now you have a white outline. And I could have made the outline a little bit thicker. So grab your number again, double click on your pen tool. Let's go a little bit more for the video. That's too much. Let's go 8 and then hit OK. Now you have a white background if you're going to print something like on a colored shirt. They'll make them kind of stand out more. But that's how, and you could add another color. You know, you're not restricted to 3. We could double click right there and get let's say this peach color, and put that peach color in there, and now you've got 4 colors. Pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.